Hello there. This is the introductory video for my free hand tool woodworking course. This course is meant to be as comprehensive as I can make it. So what we're going to do in this course is we're going to build a project. The project will be a medium-sized dovetailed box with lid and an internal tray. And I'm going to teach you dovetail technique. I'm going to teach you how to joint panels. I'm going to teach you how to dimension your lumber, how to flatten it, how to square it, how to take twist or wind out of it and make your boards ready to be used for fine joinery. I will also delve into sharpening saws and sharpening chisels and plane blades. It's going to be as thorough a course as I can possibly make it so that you have a foundation to build on that's solid. This course would be just like any other course that you might take from any number of people that teach woodworking by hand. What that means is that there's going to be a required list of tools in order to take this course. As far as the kind of tools, that's what I'm going to give you, but I'm not going to give you brands. In other words, I'm not going to pick the brand of tools that you use, how much money you pay for them, things like that. Similarly, I'm not seeking to give you budget alternatives. I can't possibly give you a list of tools to meet your budget because the range of people that might be interested in this course could range from people who have a lot of disposable income to people who have almost none. So I'm gonna give you a list of tools, the types of tools you need, and it's going to be up to you to find a way in your budget to get these tools. But the thing of it is, you have to have this basic set of tools in order to work wood. And so that's where we're heading. There will be videos that I will link to in descriptions down through this course that will basically be homework. It's videos on this channel that relate to whatever it is that I'm teaching in that particular video that I think you should take a look at and familiarize yourself with, that kind of thing. If you have never worked wood before, I think you're at an advantage, because if you're somebody coming from a machine working background, there's a distinct difference in the way the work is done between hand tools and machinery. And you're going to have to learn to adapt yourself to the way hand tool woodworking is done as opposed to what you're used to. But either way, if you've always wanted to learn to work wood by hand and be a hand tool woodworker, then you've found the right place. And if you'll come along with me, take this course with me, then I think you'll have a solid foundation in the craft. Now, if it takes you a while to gather the tools or the materials, don't worry about it. You can take your time and gather all the tools necessary, and then when you are ready, you can begin this course. Either way, I got you covered. So let's make something with hand tools.